Ano bang ibig sabihin kapag nare-reject ka? So, I remember one time na sunod-sunod yung email na dumating sa akin, and lahat ng email na yun are rejections from publishing houses. So, as a writer talaga, mas madami kang matatanggap na rejections. Kasi ang dami mong kalaban sa market eh. A friend of mine told me that rejection is actually just redirection. Diba? And I agree. And of course, for me naman, rejection is an opportunity to grow. Rejection is an opportunity to learn more, to be more, diba? To level up. That is an opportunity. Diba? So if nare-reject ka, so be it. Wala kang magagawa doon. Wala tayong magagawa doon. The world will not stop kapag na-reject ka. But if you stop, if you let that affect you, if you stop chasing your dreams because of one rejection, sinong hahabol ng dreams mo for you? No one. Ikaw lang yung hahabol sa dreams mo. Ikaw lang yung makakapagpatupad sa dreams mo. So if you let that rejection affect you, your dreams will also die. One rejection is just an opportunity to be more. Find other publishing house. Better yet, self-publish. Learn how to self-publish. Learn how to market your own book. If ever nakatanggap ka na rejection, don't let that hinder you. Instead, let that fuel you to be more.